Hi, my name is Paulette. I am a customer of Choice on Warranty, and I was in need of service for my garage, and they have sent someone out to repair my garage, and it was exceptionally done. They were on time. They were out in 2 days, and I was so impressed and very happy that the job was done correctly and on time. I did not have to wait for 7 days, 10 days, or 14 days. Their job was exceptionally good. A matter of fact, I'm a member of Choice Home for about 6 years, and they have done quality work. Whatever they said they will do it. The work was done at satisfactory, and their customer service is excellent. So I want to say thank you, Choice Home. Thank you.